Hey friends, Drew here with my friend Edwin. You know Tracy and I's passion for the foster care system and some of the kids who've gotten trapped there. Edwin has been a parole officer for the last 27 years, actually grew up in the foster care system as well, so he knows that side of things. And has been helping people who have already made some bad choices in life, but more recently has started to help folks who are in that 40 to 50 year old kind of range, who are looking to leave a legacy when they're gone. You're about halfway through life, you start looking at things, you start thinking, man, what have I really made in the impact that I wanted to make? Have I really started to build the legacy that I want to leave? Have I empowered the next generation? And Edwin helps do that, helps coach people how to work through that with his life coaching program. Edwin, I want you to tell us a little bit about that. You recently wrote a book called 18 Inches.
Closing the 18
18-inch gap. Tell us about your book, tell us about your life coaching and what it is that you do.
Yes. So, thank you, Drew. Edwin Soler here, Soler with an E. So I recently published a book, Closing the 18-inch gap, available on Amazon. And the premise of the book is the 18 inches between your heart and your mind. So a figurative 18 inches that your heart has the desires to do amazing things. You want to be remembered by something, you have dreams, goals, desires, and somehow through life, you forgot about them, life happens, challenges come, the gap opens up. So I, as a coach, help you close that gap and reach your goals, dreams, desires. I help people in all walks of life. Like Drew said, I grew up in foster homes. I've met many challenges. I'm a cancer survivor, many things. I have a beautiful family. I've been able to overcome many things, and my passion is to find people that are really realizing that there's more to life and they're stuck and they have more life in front of them than they had behind them, and they want to leave a meaningful impact for them, and I can help them reach that. I can help them close that gap and reach their goals and dreams. But it comes from them. I am simply a coach alongside helping them. Edwin Soler, you can reach me at my email, edwin@edwinsoler.com. That's Soler with an E. Thank you.
And we'll put all his contact information in the description of the video. But really, I think that we all reach that point in life where we're starting to think about where we are going forward and where we want to be. And Edwin's been on both sides of this. I remember a movie a while back where the guy looked across the interview desk where somebody was getting fired and basically said, how much did they pay you to give up on your dreams? And it was this guy's opportunity to go back and do that thing that he loved, which I believe, if I remember correctly, was to become a chef. Phenomenal movie, but I can't remember the name of it right now. Anyways, we would love to get a chance to introduce you to Edwin and maybe have a conversation, or somebody that you know who is in that spot in life looking to figure out how to leave a legacy, how to make that impact, how to rediscover those dreams that they gave up on as they were chasing an income and providing for their family. That would be a great conversation to have. So we will put his information down in the description below this video, wherever that works out. Drew with Cope Construction and Renovation, we hope that you found this helpful. Like I said, our passion is all about foster kids and helping them succeed in life. And maybe your story was you didn't have somebody when you were a teenager to help you kind of point you in a direction, and it's never too late. Now's probably a good time to get started. So this is Edwin, I'm Drew. Thanks for joining us today. We'll catch you guys on the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.